Hi everyone, my name is Mary Ashley Birch. I am a coordinating literacy teacher for special education services in Wake County Public Schools. What that means is that I work for special education services at central office and I support around 45 schools in regards to literacy instruction and written expression with special education classrooms from cross-categorical resource to self-contained, autism, behavioral support, all of that good stuff. I also work in the academics department, so I am kind of split halfway where I'm paid through special education, but I also am housed in academics. So I also help write curriculum, professional developments. I do professional developments for special education services with literacy instruction and all of that good jazz. So every day is a different day and I really do enjoy it. It keeps me on my toes, and plus I never do know which part of the county I'm going to be in that day. Also, I am currently a third-year doc student. I'm currently working on my EDD in educational leadership here at UNCW, so I am doing the add-on licensure for admin, and I'm looking forward to learning with everybody during the summer. And I know for myself personally, this will be pushing into August because as of right now, I do not know where I'm doing my internship because it's a little tricky in regards to being at central office. I have to get special permission, and we are so busy right now with trying to get virtual academy and summer learning and all of that good stuff together. Nobody has had the time to meet with me to discuss a placement, so I promise that is coming. I'm hoping to do 50 hours, excuse me, my allergies. I'm hoping to do 50 hours in elementary and then a good portion of it in middle school because I would like to see the relationship between transition from elementary into middle. So one interesting thing about myself right now, I am currently in the process of moving. I am moving on Tuesday, so that is why I have empty walls and all of that good stuff. So I am really looking forward to getting to know everyone and working closely together throughout this course, and I'm sure with other courses that we'll have together. So I look forward to working with everybody.